Morning everyone, how are you? I hope you're really well. Yes, I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday. I am. And it's still today. It's 5 minutes late. Yeah, I can't be doing with running upstairs and changing my tops again. Join me on the side of the intro and let's unbox some mystery pins, shall we? You ready? Hit it, maestro. Is I'm going to put my glasses on and I can see that my camera has gone all skewiff. The magic of technology. oh, one of them. I'm still in a real hot flush. Have you seen? Gosh, look at this. This is why I need to wear foundation, because I wouldn't have these flushes. I'm more hot. The truth be known. The truth be known. I've had one of them days today. This morning I was running at 1,000,000 miles an hour, believe that if you will, and I took my car to have it MOT'd and it passed flying colours. Yay, great, fantastic. So I've done that, did that, came home, and then I was preparing shopping lists and what have you ready for tomorrow, which will be today as you're watching this. Then I had some crackers and cheese, because I've still got a bit of cheese, and I like smelly cheese. I like blue smelly cheeses. I do, and I got some. And I thought, I wonder, I've had them about a week, I wonder if they got off. I thought, well, it doesn't matter, does it, because they're smelly. But they were fine, I really enjoyed them. And then, like, came home, we raced to the post office, and I posted a parcel. And then we came home, and then I was like, I need to do something with this before I sit in front of the camera. So I've had a shower and I had it so hot. I love really hot showers, do you? And I always come out, my legs are bright red, and Savannah's like, Mum, and I have a bath. Oh, that's it. And if it's not, I don't feel clean. And so I was in there forever and I'm still flushed. And I think the fact I put the heating up as well, it's not helping. It's got nothing to do with being 27. You know that. It really has. So, we were going to do this yesterday, but yesterday's video was longer than I expected because of just sheer kindness. And yeah, and the bits are probably still behind me because I haven't moved them yet. I should have moved them, shouldn't I? And I forgot. Forgive me. I have sinned. Nothing unusual, is it? And so today, we got Magic Launch Bait. Now, this is probably, I've had this box probably for about 8 or 9 months. You have a planning channel, did you say, Karen? Yeah. But anyway, I've saved it because it's like fine wine, isn't it? It proves with A. And as women, do you know, the only thing that's good about getting older, well, I'm not, I'm getting younger, I'm 26 in May, I'm 27 currently, is the fact you know who you are, aren't you? And you're more established and, yeah, really don't care anymore. And that's the same with pins, they mature. And their value increases because when you open it, you'd forgot you wanted them. What do you think? Did I blag that one? You believe in me? So, this is a company, Magic Launch Bay, and they don't do a subscription box, or they didn't 8 months ago. And you buy boxes off them, and I only ever used to choose the Hong Kong subscription because I wanted all the pins from Hong Kong. Because last year, as you know, I went how many times to America, and I was worried that if I had the one that had the American pins in as well, I'd end up having pins that I'd already got, and I didn't want that, because then you have to trade them, and well, trading's fine. I don't really tend to do trading because I've been a bit of a devil, haven't I? And I just buy the things because I'm stupid. So if I got 2 of them, I'm kind of stuck with them and then I have to sell it. So I didn't want to do that. So I thought by doing this, by choosing the Hong Kong, I think it's Hong Kong pins, by choosing the Hong Kong section, it meant that I stood a chance of getting things I would never have a chance to get otherwise. So in here, oh crikey, I've got to remember now. I think, I'm so sorry guys if you're watching this, I'm really out of practice. I need to get another box, don't I? I think it is 5 normal pins, open edition, and 1 limited edition. I think. We'll find out. So, let's have a look. So they've put it in little baggies for me. So let's have a look. Oh, okay. And I haven't looked. And the great thing is they put them in upside down. So the first one, and I'm not looking, you're seeing first. Oh, it's the Rex from Toy Story. And I've completed the popcorn set. But look, there you go. So it's Rex from Toy Story. And I love these pins. I really did. These are the popcorn pins. I did the teacups ones, and I think the teacups were more my favourite because it was more glittery and sparkly. But having said that, this in the background, I don't know if you can see, but there's real like glitter bits. So yeah, love that, love that. So that's that one. Right, next one. Not gonna look. What's this one we got? So this is a hidden Mickey. It's a Dumbo hidden Mickey, and I don't collect Dumbo. I don't. But it's about time I started doing another giveaway, isn't it, really? I need to sort that out. I haven't done one for ages. So that's a Mickey, baby Mickey, hidden Mickey. It's not baby Mickey, hidden Mickey. It's a baby Dumbo hidden Mickey. So, yeah. That's lovely. So, I was looking for my drink. I've got a Coke over there. It's on the table behind me. That's no good, is it? Right. And it's not a naughty Coke either for anyone who's thinking it is. Right, what's this? Is that Judy Hopps? No, it is Miss... Is it Miss Bunny? I think it's Miss Bunny on a carrot. Is it? It is. It's Miss Bunny on a carrot. And I'll have a look at the back of that one in a minute. And considering we're coming up to Easter, it was worth keeping that one. Oh, look, she's a hidden Mickey. Look, you see the little hidden Mickey up there? Oh, that's really pretty, the pink and the yellow. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so I think we've got two more and then the limited edition one. So, what's this one? Cheshire Cat hidden Mickey. Oh, that's really pretty. And it's the way they do them as though, whoops, as though it's the spine of the fish, isn't it? Can you see? Oh, that's really clever. Really clever. So that's that one. So I have two more. I'm hoping I'm doing it in the right order. Oh, I've looked at this one. I know someone who's going to want this. Yeah, I know someone who's going to want this. This is fabulous. Look at this. Marie and a bottle of potion. Isn't that lovely? And that's just a normal pin. Oh, so that's going off. That's being posted. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's really pretty, and it's like glitter. Can you see glitter in the bottle? I wonder what the significance of that bottle is. Oh, that's really pretty. So yeah, and then I have got one more, and this is the limited edition one. So which one will this be? I'm not looking, it's the back. Shelley May. So what is it? 12 magical years. Shelley May. I wonder if that's of the park. 12 magical years of Hong Kong Disneyland. Look at that. Oh, I love this. I never got to meet her when I was in Tokyo. I didn't. We didn't do a lot of meet and greets. We were so concerned with getting on the rides. Look at that. All the pearlized glitter in the back. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And this was 108 Hong Kong dollars, which I don't know if that's the same as Tokyo. Don't know if that works the same. So this is a limited edition of 500 and it's 4 of 10. And that's what it says on the back. So that's what it says, and it's a pin on pin. That's really, really beautiful. Can you hear my voice in the background? I left the door open so you can hear them. Well, not so you can hear them, but so that they can see me and they wouldn't terrorise the house. I always think that's a wise thing to do. But yeah, I absolutely love that. So if you've not checked out this this company, I'll link them down below, but go and check them out. They do all these wonderful boxes and the mystery boxes. I don't know if they do subscriptions yet. I don't. Sorry, I need to find out, because I'd like to get some more of these. But these are really beautiful. I really like that one as well. I love all Duffy Bear and Friends. And what was funny, and he'll kill me because he's just come down the stairs, but at Christmas, when we were over there, I bought 4 tree ornaments. So they were like little teddy bears. So I've got Duffy, Shelley May, Stella Lou and Gelatoni dressed little teddy bears, and I put them on the tree, and he's like, I'm taking them things off. And I said, you're not. He said, I'm taking them things off. And I'm like, Blake, you are so not. Those are my memories. And he went, oh. He even took them and hid them at the back of the tree. He did. Yeah, I soon move those around. But anyway, children, who'd have them? We would. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit that red bell that's coming at the end, and hit the notification bell, and that way then you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. But thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.